How to make barbecue wings. First, you will need these ingredients: barbecue sauce, plates, vegetable oil, a pan and a stove, chicken wings, a drainer bowl, a scooper, a pan cover, a pan, a bowl, a measuring cup. Now you have to prepare the chicken. First, wash off the chicken. Then after that, dry the chicken. Now get the pan ready. First, turn on the stove. Then pour vegetable oil in the pan. After that, put the pan full of vegetable oil on the stove. Now cook the chicken. Put the chicken into the pan. After that, when it's about golden brown, take it out. Now put the sauce on the wings. Mix up the wings in the sauce. After that, you can enjoy. And also remember to stay safe while doing it.
What do you mean?